Hey everyone, do we want to stop private browsing in Google Chrome? In this video, we will show how to remove or disable incognito mode in Chrome step by step. This way, we can control how the browser is used on our device. Chrome's incognito mode is a private browsing setting that opens a separate session, stopping our device from saving browser history, cookies, site data, and form information once all incognito windows are closed. It is helpful for shared computers, as it prevents local tracking and lets us log into multiple accounts at the same time. The main goal of incognito mode is to let us browse privately, without saving history, cookies, or site data on the device. It helps protect our privacy, stops tracking on shared devices, and allows different browsing sessions that leave no local trace on the browser. Now, let's go through the steps to disable incognito mode on Chrome. First, open the registry editor by right-clicking the Start button and selecting Run. Type reedit and click OK to open the editor. Once we are in the registry editor, we should minimize all folders to make it easier to follow. Next, go to Local Machine. Under this section, go to Software. Under Software, navigate to Policies. Click on Policies, then right-click and select New Key. Type Google with a capital G, and press Enter. Right-click on Google, select New, and then Key. Type Chrome. Right-click on Chrome, select New, and then DORD 32-bit. Value. Name it Incognito Mode Availability. Be sure to use the correct capitalization. Now, right-click on Incognito Mode Availability and select Modify. Enter 1 if we want to disable incognito mode in Chrome, or enter 0 if we want to enable it again. Now you pause 1 and click OK. Restart your desktop in order to take effect what we have done. That's it. We have now disabled incognito mode in Chrome. This gives us more control over how we browse and use our device. Remember, managing browser modes can help keep things consistent and safe online.